How to convert USDT to Ton on Bitget. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert USDT to Ton on Bitget wallet. To do so, first of all, open your Bitget wallet application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account here. Once logged in, you will land on this page. In this page, here at the top, you will be able to see different icons. You can tap on this futures icon next to the on icon, or you may also directly tap on the trade icon at the central button below. By doing so, you will reach to this swap page. Here you can now select the cryptos. In this From section, tap on the crypto and select USDT from the list. If you didn't find this crypto in the list, you may also use the search bar and there type in the name to find it. Once you get it, tap on it to select it. And now again tap on the crypto on this True section and find Ton from here. Use the search bar to find the Ton, and once you get the Ton, tap on the Ton to select it. Now after that you will need to specify the amount of USDT that you'd like to swap or convert to Toncoin. Tap on this amount at the right side and enter the amount. After entering the amount, tap on this confirm button at the bottom right. Make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after doing that, you'll be able to see swap button in this page. Simply tap on that swap button and you will need to review all the details along with the transaction fees. Also select your payment method and process your transaction. You will need to wait until the transaction is processed. After that, you will be able to see Toncoin on your wallet. So this is how you can convert USDT to Toncoin on Bitget wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.